How to get My AI on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get My AI on Snapchat, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to get My AI on Snapchat, if you don't know what My AI is, let me show you. First of all, I'm going to open the Snapchat app, and when you come to the chat page, you'll most likely find the My AI at the very top. It is just a Snapchat bot that is going to help you with any of the issues and queries you might have either with your Snapchat account or the Snapchat app. And if you want to actually get this, because maybe you don't have this feature yet, it just means that you need to use the official version of Snapchat and the updated version. So open up your Play Store or your App Store depending upon what you use, and in the search box you want to simply go ahead and type in Snapchat. All you have to do is just check if the Snapchat app has an update, and if it does, definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. After you've updated the Snapchat app, most likely you will get the My AI on Snapchat. So hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.